Hello, what's up developers, and welcome back to Mobile Tech Book. In this quick video, we are going to organize your array using sort. This is great for sorting names, prices, or scores. Yeah, what is sort? Sort actually do sorting in array in place. By default, it sorts and sort as strings. So for numbers, you need to comparison function. In strings, it's just a matter of providing it, but for numbers, you need the comparison function. That's the baseline of it. So what are the most common use cases? Maybe alphabetical sorting, or you want to like price low to high sorting or high to low sorting kind of thing, and scoreboard or ranking sorting. Yeah, those are simply use cases. Let me go a quick code samples and try out things and explain you how it works. I'll create a array of const names, and let's make iPhone and pixel. Pixel and Samsung. Yes, it's a string Samsung. Okay, so we have an array of phones here, and how you sort this? It's very simple. Const sorted names. All right, sorted names. You take the names, and then you apply sort function. Names, and they apply sort. Let's console log this. Console dot this will ascending alphabetically sorted. Sorted names. Let's run this quickly. All right, it is already in sorted order, so that's why it didn't sort it. All right, let's move it here. Look at that, it's sorted in the alphabetical order like this. So it's very simple and very powerful. Let's see, we can do another example. Sort products by price or something. All right, let's create an interface for the products. Product, yes, and name, it should be a string, and price, yes, let's do price. Price is a number. All right, so we have this interface. Let's gonna create a products array. Const products, const products. This should be the type of product, and array. So let's create objects. Name charger, yeah, that's what we used to do. And the price, let's make it 20. All right, so that's one item. So I'm copying this one and add down here, and let's make it case, phone case. Let's make it 10. Yeah, we have product. Oh yes, it's array. What's the problem here? Oh yes, this is not a string, boy. It's a number. All right, so we have the array, and what we want to do is we want to compare these products and order it by price. Let's do it. Const sorted price equal. How you do that? You get the products array, and then you apply the sort function. And here, when you want to like sort numbers, you need the sorting comparison function. So you will add that particular function. You add a and b as two elements to be compared. And what you do, from a you take the price, you check whether it is greater than or less than b dot price. Alright, let me explain this. What basically happening is, it actually iterates two elements, and it checks the first element and compare with the second. If it actually compares, if a price minus b price, if it is negative, a comes before b. So if it is positive, that means b comes before a. So if it is 0, the order remains unchanged relative to each other. Alright, so that's how it works. Well, let's console log this and see how it's ordered. Console log .log, and I need to comment this here so you will have a clear idea there. Console sorted price. So I'm going to have this sorted price. Okay, let me clear this. It doesn't. Let's run this, and look at that. You get the array in the other order, so it's sorted. So it's actually ascendingly sorted from small amount to big amount. It actually sorted. So that's how you use the sort functions. So that's how you use sort with sort function. Just remember to clone the array first if you want to keep the original. So that's a very big plus point, and it's something to remember. Yeah, that is for this particular video. If you like and subscribe for more code in less than 5 minutes, and see you in next time.